We're pleased you've chosen AT&T for your new AT&T Dedicated Internet or ADI service. Now that your service has been turned up, this video in our series will explain the resources available to you should any performance issues arise with the service or if you need to make changes. Our goal is for you to have an exceptional experience that extends beyond the installation.
After the technician successfully completes the test and turn-up of your new service, it is ready to be used and will show active in the AT&T systems the next business day. You will receive an email detailing the completion of the installation. If you have an existing AT&T service and would like to migrate your local area network IP addresses, please refer to the email for instructions. If you have any questions about your order, billing, or technical issues, you should call AT&T Business Center at 1-888-613-6330 and follow the prompts. To learn more about the powerful capabilities and features of your new service, go to the ADI site on AT&T Care Central. The link is below this video screen. With regards to your bill, it will typically be sent to you on the 5th of each month. Questions that might arise as you review your bill should be directed to the AT&T Business Center at 1-888-613-6330, option 5. Or you can always reach out to your AT&T sales representative. If you have any ADI ordering questions, press 6. If you experience any service or performance issues after TTU has been completed, please contact the AT&T Business Center. To check for a known network outage, press 1. For AT&T Dedicated Internet ADI and you are a non-government customer, press 2. For AT&T Dedicated Internet data and you are a government customer, press 3. For AT&T Dedicated Internet trouble with business voice IP services, IP Flex over ADI, press 4. Or, if more convenient, you can open a trouble ticket through Express Ticketing. Just go to att.com/express ticketing and follow the step-by-step instructions found there. If you choose to use the Express Ticketing tool, you are able to escalate the issue just 2 hours after submitting with just the click of a button. As we know, the only constant for business is change. At some point, you will inevitably need changes made to your service to accommodate the needs of your business. If you have LAN IP addresses from an existing AT&T service that you wish to migrate to the newly activated service, or need to request a configuration change of your existing service, go to att.com/express ticketing. On the problem information page, select Submit a MACD request. MACD stands for Move, Add, Change, or Delete. You can also call the AT&T Business Center at 1-888-613-8330 and follow the prompts. Or you can always contact your AT&T account representative at 1-800-321-2000 to place a MACD order. The ADI MACD user guide can be found at the bottom of the homepage of the Express Ticketing tool. If you need help finding the information on your existing or new AT&T service, like the details of your IP addresses to be used or other technical details, ask the field technician who visits to complete the access and router installation. Or you can always call the AT&T Business Center at 1-888-613-6330 and follow the prompts. We hope you have found this information helpful in understanding the resources available to you to support your new AT&T service after installation. Your complete satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.